Hi, Clark! Hi! Wait lang ha. Cash be with you. Yan. Ano sasabihin ko? Ano tayo? Anong araw ngayon? 25 kahapon. 25. Wait. Wait lang ha. Mahal, wait lang ha. Wow. Mm-hmm. 27 na ngayon? na ngayon, mahal, no? Yay! Hi, Deji! So right now, andito si R2. Kailangan ko ba mag-English, mahal? Hi, Deha! Deha, where are you from? Are you from the Philippines? Hi, Eliza! Deji! Hi, Deji! Hello, welcome to my live, mahal. How are you? Good morning, Dahlia! Mahal ko, support PH na muna, ha? Hi, Fave guys. Fave guys. Welcome back, mahal. Deji, how are you? Wait lang. Nandito ba si Fave? Pinoy. Para kang yung name kasi parang Daja, parang taga-India. I'm good. Wait, are you a streamer here? Oh, you're a streamer. This is not the first time that you drop by on my live, right? Because you're very familiar. Mahal, right now, my campaign is gonna be Cash Be With You. Tapos, pagising ko na naman ulit yung isa. So, sisimulan muna natin to. Sana, gusto ko rin sana lumipad, kaya lang hindi sa kumusaan. I usually come and listen. Wow! Where are you from? Are you from the Philippines? Hi, Shireen or Shireen. Hi, Deza. Happy anniversary, Worley Official! Sa bubongin. Oh! Ano? Where are you from? Ongo na pala. Ano ongo? Happy anniversary, Team Balot! You're not Pinoy. You're in the States. Nice. I'm so happy that you're using Kumu, even though you're in the States. Hindi ka magiging aswang, mahal. Hindi ka magiging aswang. Daja, thank you. Daja, pwede kang mag-drop ng cash ha. Cash out, cash out, kasama mo at cash be with you. Cute naman yan. Hi, Nef. Nasaan na kaya si R2? Bakit kaya sinabi niyang last niya na yun? Sana hindi. Sana hindi niya yun last. Di ko alam, newbie puso. Newbie ka sa Kumu. So, ganito, mahal. Di ba kapag ka magdadrop ka, pindutin, di ba pipindutin mo yung pipindutin mo yung gift. Tas 'pag napindot mo yung gift, punta ka sa campaign. May lalabas dun na 'di ba 'pag pinindot mo yung gift tas may lalabas dun, pindutin mo lang yung campaign tapos hanapin mo yan, oh, cash cash, cash out, cash Shama mo, pati yung cash be with you. Baka naubusan na yung ayun! Thank you, Daja! Thank you, Daja. O, 'di ba? Fast learner. Yay! Thank you, Daja! Wow! Thank you, Daja! Baka na-bad trip siya, mahal. Kaya nga 'no, kasi laging naaano yung ano niya, yung kina-cash niya, tina-top up pala. Thank you, Daja! Isa pa trauma kaya nga, eh. Wait lang, na-bad trip saan, mahal? Lian, thank you! Thank you po. Wow! Thank you. Gusto ko makakita ng cash be with you, ano kaya itsura? Thank you, Lian! Wow! Thank you, Lian. Ano kayang itsura nun, ng cash be with you? Kasi first time yan, 'di ba? Thank you, May! Thank you, Elvas. Wow, nakakatuwa, ang daming nagda-drop kahit yung cash lang. Thank you so much. Happy 1K. Thank you, mahal. Haha, na-discover lang namin kayo ng GF ko. Follow na FB and YouTube. We all same mahal. Ay! Wow! Saan niyo ako nakita? Hi, Roberto. Saan niyo ako nakita? Baka mag-rest lang siya kasi napipigilan di ewan ko, mahal. Thank you, Lian. Kasi di napasok top up niya. Sa YouTube, yung Lay and Mar. Napanood niyo yung Lay and Mar? So, ano kami dito, mahal? We are an official streamer here on Kumu. So, this is what we do. Every day kaming naka-live. Especially ako, lagi talaga akong nagla-live dito. Pero ngayon, medyo, pinapahinga kasi talaga namin yung katawan namin. And then, may mga iba pa kasi kaming ginagawa aside sa pagla-live. Kaya, most of the time, gabi na ako nakakapag-live. Before, 3 times a day ako nagla-live. Nagla-live ako ng umaga, ng hapon, tapos gabi. Ngayon naman, since gabi na ako nag-start, hanggang 2 AM ako magla-live. Pigilan mo wag mag-delete ng Kumu si Arto. Hindi! Because we like to watch short film like Girl to Girl, kaso hindi pa open so medyo relate kayo sa Lay and Mar. Naka-relate kayo sa Lay and Mar. Hi, Joyce. Welcome to my live. You are my Yes, Monday lang namin Ay! Talaga? Netong Monday lang? Nakakatuwa naman. Tapos nagda-drop ka na ngayon. Sana yung girlfriend mo mag-download ng Kumu para ano ba kayo, live-in ba kayo? Kung hindi kayo live-in, para ito yung niyo, ito yung bonding niyo. Hi, Aina. Hi, Malo. Hi, Annalisa. LDR. Hi, Rasly. Pero alam ng parents mo. Annalisa, I miss you. Promise. Kamusta ka? What nice outfit. Are you the woman in red? Yes, I'm the woman in red. Rar. Ay! Nasa US ka! Tapos nasa Philippines siya. Nakakatuwa naman. Mahal, thank you so much for following me here and on Instagram on Facebook page at sa sa YouTube. I appreciate that a lot. I swear. Hi, Archo! I've heard you dropped by to Cleo's live. How are you? Yeah, I saw you drop to me. You dropped Dias to me off live. Thank you so much, mahal. You dropped 5,000. I'm so thankful for that. Hi, Shili lang. Mahal, natutuwa ako. Ang daming dumadaan sa atin. Tapos, nagda-drop. Grabe. Tinan mo, si Melissa. Naging mafia talaga natin. Tapos, si Jury, tapos si R2, tapos ang dami dumadaan na bagong supporter because of Lay and Mar, and then nag-aan din sila, nagsusupport din sila sa campaign natin. Sobrang natutuwa talaga ako. Ano yan, meron pang may Indonesian, may Indian, may, alam mo yun, may mga American, may mga Black American. So, nakakatuwa. Sobrang natutuwa talaga ako, mahal. Promise. Ang dami ngang naghahanap ang dami nga naghahanap sa amin, tas may naghahanap kay Lay, ganyan, kung saang ano, may mga nakikita ako. Kaya good thing talaga na nilagay ko yung mga social media accounts namin dun 'no. Sobrang perfect na nilagay namin yung social media account sa ano. Abangan nyo! This Saturday, 12 p.m., the background story, the BTS and the bloopers of Lay and Mar. Ano na yan? This Saturday na yan. Ay, thank you, Daja! Wait lang, si Daja yung kausap ko kanina, no? Tama. Nalilito kasi ako, si Daja. Para kasing pang ibang bansa yung name niya. Hi, Dimple! Thank you, Janet! Sobrang natutuwa ako sa inyo. Hi, Medi Perez. So, i-alternate lang natin tong campaign na to kasi gusto ko talaga manalo parehas sa kanila. So, just in case, 'di ba, i-bless tayo ni Lord, madaming mag-drop sa atin na ano, at least mahahati. Tulad ng ginagawa natin dati, 'di ba? Hi, Clark. Hi, Mahal. Hi, Arnala. Nang dahil sa Leonmar, grabe ang social media bumubulusok lahat, lalo na. Oo nga, Mahal eh. Sobrang thank you talaga sa inyong lahat for supporting and loving me. As in talaga. Natutuwa ako kasi alam mo yun, visualize ko lang yun last year, last year, this year, tapos nitong bago namin gawin, sinabi ko talaga na, hi Z! Sinabi ko talaga na mahal, if we do things with love, if we do things ng meron tayong, alam mo, yung 100% mo siya gusto na hindi ka napipilitan, ano, magiging maganda yung kakalabasan. Oh, mahal kasi si Hiraya. First time niyang, siya yung unang nakapanood ng BTS. Sinend ko kasi sa kanya kasi siya yung gumawa ng mga, siya yung nag-translate. So, sabi niya, mahal ang ganda. Hindi daw niya in-expect. Ano daw, para daw siya nanonood ng documentary. Kasi nagkukwento kami ni Cleo habang kinukwento namin yung story, tapos papakita namin yung nangyari, ganyan. Thank you, Janet! So, from an editor itself, natuwa ako. Daja, thank you! Thank you, Janet. Ganda ng Leonmar, kanina ko lang pinanood. Wow! Thank you so much, Joy. Thank you, Janet. Wait lang, magsusulat lang ako dito. Sabihin ko na lalabas yung Leonmar sa Leonmar bloopers. Wait lang ha. Ilalagay lang ako ng notes. Watch Lay and Mar on my YouTube channel. Or Adrenaline. And bloopers. And ngayon, behind the scene. Because ay! Nawala. Wait. Again. Watch Lay and Mar on my YouTube channel or Adrenaline. And the BTS this Saturday. Hi, Chloe! Yun. There you go. I can see your face. There you go. No, I just typed this watch Lay and Mar on my YouTube channel, Ward Reynalyn, and we will be posting the BTS this Saturday, 12 p.m. Abangan. Yeah. So if you guys want to have an episode 2 of Lay and Mar, you should watch it all over again and send it to your friends because we have the goal. We have this goal where we need to reach 1 million views and 100,000 subscribers. So as of now, we have 539,000 views. So we still need 400 plus thousand views. And then we are down to 50,000 subscribers. So we still need to have 50,000 subscriber more so that we can have or release episode 2. So I hope you guys can cooperate and help us if you really, really want. Hi, Town. Hi, Ace Mifa. Dida, do do do, da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Sitaw, hi. Your gift option daw, sabi Archu. Anong gift option? What's your gift option? Oh, my gift option is cash. You can see it here. You can drop it's cash be with you. You can drop cash out, kashamamo, and cash be with you. So you can just choose. You are my destiny. Na 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 na. Mga mahal ko, let's go 10K! Hanggang 2 AM lang ako, mahal, magla-live. Hi! Yabada yabadu, yababadadadu, yababadadadu. You. Oh. Hi, Arvin Reyes. Welcome to my live show. Don't need a nigga controlling me. I look at my wrist, it's an AP watch. I think your nigga in off-white socks. He wanna fuck bitch, girl, not a thought. I keep it juicy, he coming alive. When he did this, I be going insane. Scratching his back, I know he feeling pain. Okay, he asked me out like snow day. Eliante is a cold case. Right on that dick like road rage. I can put on the show, I don't need a stage. Fucking with me, he gon' need sage. Don't make me go back to my old ways. I wanna feel you better, take a right now, ain't no waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, get your back to you, ready when you ride. Like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel you better, take the mind. Right now, ain't no waste no time, baby. Like a Harley in the wind, get your back to you, ready when you ride. Let me kiss you, baby. Anong gusto niyong kanta dito? I-play ko. I wanna love you right now. I wanna love you right now. Oh, rock me, baby. 2 a.m. One thing on my mind. Candlelight, kissing you until our love combined. 3 a.m. Now that we're alive, get you right. I'ma miss my flight if you stay the night. Oh, take it slow, feel my love alone. Take my time, loving you, feel you out of flow. Arju, it's cash be with you. It's cash out, kashamamo, and cash be with you. You can drop diba, if you're gonna go to gifts, click campaign and then look for cash be with you. You can drop cash, it's 100. You can drop cash out, it's 500, and you can drop kashamamo, it's 1,000, and then the biggest one is cash be with you, it's 5,000. So that's my campaign. So again, if you want to drop, those are the virtual gifts you can send. So again, cash out, kasama mo, and cash be with you. Alam nyo, mahal, siguro hanggang, wow! Oh, wow, that's so nice! Hala, ang ganda! That's the first time I have received cash be with you. Thank you so much! It's so beautiful! In the Philippines! Yes, so beautiful in the Philippines. Thank you, Arju! More! Oh my gosh, hi the real Misha. Wow! Thank you so much. It's so nice. This campaign have a nice virtual gifts. Diba? Yung anong tawag dyan? Anong tawag sa kanila? Anong tawag? Animation. Any other option? That's it. That's the only option. You can drop anything there. cash out, kasama mo, and cash be with you. If you want me to choose, please drop cash be with you a lot. Kaya nga, ang bilis nga kanina, ilan lang yung mga ganyan eh. Ngayon 26 na. Si Kamo, si Arto, lumipad. Lumipad na. Archo, I also want you to fly. If you were gonna drop a lot, you will gonna fly. Hi, Genesis Geronimo. If you're gonna fly, every time you're gonna enter my live, you're gonna fly. You're gonna see yourself, your name flying. So that's so nice. But you can fly if you're gonna drop a lot. I'm so happy. Yung mga sumusuporta sa atin mga bago, sobrang ang bilis nila lumipad, no? Nakakatuwa. I mean, grabe yung support nila ngayon. Sana may maging Melissa 2.0 yung unang araw pa lang lumipad na kaagad. Sana. Slow it down, can we freeze time? Fast forward, baby, track 9. Different position for every song I play. I know that that's your favorite song. Girl, your body told me
Mahal,
so.
dadating ka din dyan.
Don't have to
I mean, mahal. Of course, no offense sa mga matagal na. I mean, natutuwa lang ba ako na yung mga bagong dumadating sa atin ngayon, grabe sila mag-support ba? I mean, huwag niyong isipin, huwag kayong mahal, baka ayoko nung may na-offend pero pag na-offend kayo, ay, bahala kayo, Charis. Hindi, mahal. Sobrang natutuwa lang ako kasi, yung mga bagong dumadating na mga sumusuporta talaga sa atin, talagang, alam mo yun, natutuwa silang mag-drop, mag-ganyan. I mean, no offense talaga sa mga nanonood lang or sa mga nagda-drop. Mahal, whatever you can give to me, whatever you can offer, like, even though yung time nyo lang, sobrang solid na sa akin yun, mahal. Lahat kayo mahalaga para sa akin and thankful ako sa inyo. Alam niyo yun, alam niyo namang masyado ako ma-appreciate, diba? Na-appreciate ko lang yung mga bagong dumadating na, even though they are just new, they're really, showing support and, like, malay nyo, talagang mabilis sa kanila yung makapag-drop, ganyan. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko na, hindi pa nila ako ganun kakilala or baka hindi ako mahal ni Ward kasi hindi naman ako nagda-drop. No, don't think of that. Hindi ako ganun. What I'm just trying to say, I'm just very much thankful for the new ones because talagang sinusuportahan nila ako kahit hindi pa naman nila ako kakilala. Gets nyo? So, lahat kayo ay mahalaga at importante sa akin at lahat kayo nagpapasalamat ako. Lahat sa inyo ay pinapasalamatan ko kasi sobra yung pagmamahal na binibigay ninyo sa akin. Yes, totoo, mahal. Every time na nagte-thank you ako sa mga bago, huwag kayong ma-offend na like, hala, may mga bago na, ganyan-ganyan. No, 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 no. Ang pinaka-main goal natin dito is talagang maging ma-maintain natin and, diba? So, sana you guys are also happy kapag may mga taong nagsusupport sa akin. And, if you can, you can drop, mahal. Hi, Ditski! Where is flying? No, you can drop cash be with you. If you will drop many cash be with you, you will fly. If you will drop many cash be with you, you will fly. Hi, mahal. Feeling ko nga to si Titski magpapa-cash be with you too eh. Kaya nga eh, ayun o, Favecast. Ang dami nga sa inyo yung before na hindi ko talaga masyado nakikita. Kasi diba nga, ang daming comments, ganyan. Tapos, yung mga lagi nating napapansin yung mga malalaki mag-drop, tama. Kasi minsan nagkakasabay silang mag-drop, diba? Tapos, nung madaming nagpahingang mafia, ang dami sa inyo yung mga silent na hindi na silent. Hoy! So, I'm very much happy kasi grabe alam mo yun, parang may mga batch din yung nyo. Wow! Archu, thank you! Titski, okay lang, mahal. Kayang-kaya mo magpa-top up kahit nasa sasakyan. Thank you, Archu! Kahit nasa work to naman. Titski, baba. We're happy na madami sa support. Thank you, mahal. Kasi mahal, ayoko kayong magaya sa iba na masyadong gatekeep or parang imbes na dapat maging happy yung iba, ang nafe-feel nila is parang nagsiselos sila, ganyan. Mahal, every one of you are precious to me. Every one of you are appreciated. Mapa-viewers man lang kayo, maliit man yung binagsak ninyo o malaki, nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. Though, syempre mahal, masaya tayo pagka madaming nagbabagsak na malalaki, diba? Hi, Eric Sukali. Pikachu tuloy yung tatawag ko dito. Archu, thank you so much. Yay! Let's go for more cash be with you so that you can fly. Tulog na eh. Tulog na ba? Hi. Gising pa naman si Russell.
Hala. Baka gising pa si Rosel mahal. Hindi naman ganyan. Oo nga. Totoo naman, hindi naman ganyan. Ano lang, I just want you to be aware na whatever will happen, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat sa inyo. Viewers man, maliit man na drop, halo-halo man lang. Nangiyak kahit nga super halo-halo, masaya ako. 'Di ba? I mean, ayoko lang ma-feel niyo at the end of the day na ano, like nagpapasalamat lang ako sa mga nagda-drop, kay maliit, kay malaki. No, sa inyong lahat nagpapasalamat ako. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart, mahal. Arikusukali, thank you so much. Wow, there's a lot of coins. Wow, thank you so much. Archu, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you, baby. Wow! Arekusu, you can drop Cash be with you. Cash be with you. Cash be, wow, a lot. Hi, SM Josh. Wow, grabe. Sana nanalo siya ng madami. You can drop Cash be with you after that, ah. Wow, ginawa tayong ginawa tayong pang, tawag nito, pang sugal. Baka nga naman swerte tayo dito ngayon. Wow, hindi ko nababasa yung nyo, yung comment nyo. Dati ganyan kabilis yung comment section, no? Ang dami, no? Dati. Babalik tayo sa ganyan. Pero alam nyo, mahal, pagka bumalik sa ganyan, yung sobrang bilis ng ng ganun, mamimiss ko yung lahat na babasa ko. Wow! Let's go! Kapag bumalik tayo sa ganyan kabilis yung comment section, mahal, mamimiss ko yung mamimiss ko yung nababasa ko yung comments. Kasi pagka ganyan, mahal, tingnan mo, wala ka nang mababasa. Tingnan mo, di ba? Tapos dati may nagsasabi, ay, ang snub naman, mahal. Paano ako mababasa kung ganyan kabilis? Duling na ako. Oy, let's go! Times 1,000! Times 1,000! Daming panalo nyon. Let's go. I hope yung mapapanalunan niya, i-drop niya rin sa atin ng Cash Be With You. Wow! Wow! Dami panalo. 5, 5, 5, 5. Dami, 5, 10. Sana manalo siya ng 100K. Wow! Wow! Let's go! Let's go. Archu, where are you? I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for your Cash Be With You. Wow! Thank you, Archu! You're the best. Thank you, Archu. More. Grabe, 1K ata talaga yung isusugal neto dito. Let's go 1K. Wow, dami. Wow! Sabayan nyo, mahal. Sabayan nyo. Arik ko, so hindi pa masakit yung fingers mo? Isn't it painful? Is your fingers are okay? Are your fingers okay? Ay, grabe, solid, 1,000 nga talaga ata yung nito. Let's go. 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 Wow! Solid! Wow! Sana may magpa-times ganyan sa akin na Cash Be With You, no? Iiyak talaga ako. Magwawala talaga ako. Wow! Dami! Solid. Sabayan nyo naman si Arik Kusu. Solid. Wow! You're so good. Grabe, nakakapagod yan. Let's go. Let's go. So, may magpa 1 times 99 din sa akin na Cash Me With You? 999 pala or 1,000 plus. Wow! Let's go! Let's go! Wow! Archu! Thank you, Archu! Archu, thank you so much, Archu! Wow! Archu, thank you! Yay! Thank you, Arikusu. Arikusu, that's a lot. Archu, thank you. Wow, grabe, 1,000. Solid. Archu, thank you. Kaya nga, 1,100 plus. Arikusu ba yung Arikusu, I hope you will drop Cash Be With You. Nalugi? Ay, so yung
Sayang. Napagod din nga yung mata ko. Ilan lahat yung inano niya? 12K yun? Ilan yung ano niya? Ilan yung napanalunan niya? Sayang! Yung 12K sana pinang-ano mo na lang, 2 cash be with you tapos tapos 2 cash. Sayang. Kung talo siya ha, kung lugi siya. 'Di ba? Sayang na sayang talaga. Ginawan ko sino ang live mo. Actually, okay lang at least may 1K siyang na-drop, mahal. I can send more on next time. Alright, mahal, there's no problem. I appreciate you for dropping. Thank you so much. But if you can drop one last time, cash be with you. That will be nice. Can I? Naduling din ako nga eh. Anong can I? What do you mean by can I? Yay! Yay! Grabe, ang solid naman ito ni Archu. Archu, look at your mango. You are now, bakit na iba yung ano ni Archu? Naging ano, hi user! Ano, yung ano ni Archu, bakit naging 5 na lang? Hindi ba 20 plus na yun? User, thank you so much for following me. You are my everything. Hi, Chiki! Chiki, bao, chiki. Chiki, bao, chiki. Chiki, bao, chiki. Mahal ko, sana maka 200K tayo. Bago 200K or 500. Max natin yung 500K. 30 na ba mangga niya bago mag-end yung live? 2:00 pa naman tayo mag-end. Hi! Arto! Oh my gosh! How are you? I have changed my campaign. It's cash be with you, and then tomorrow I'll go back to other one because I need to have an entry for this so that I can win also here. Because I have 2 campaign. The other one will end on October 28. This one will end on October 30. That's why I need to campaign these 2 but in different times. So that people will not will know the campaign that I'm campaigning because it's yes. Hi Snoop Shish. B, alam nyo, every time na may mga bago tayong, every time we have new I will really speak in English so that they will understand. How about you, Filipino viewers? Do you understand? Yay! Hi, Snoop Shish. I love you too. Welcome to my live. Yes. Mahal, wag kayong magsasawa manood sa akin 'pag mag-i-English ako, ha. Magtawanan na lang tayo dito, pero wag niyo akong iiwan kasi nag-i-English ako. Baka kasi pati yung live ko iwan ko din, eh. Arjo, thank you! Wow! That's so nice! Cash be with you! It's so nice! I hope you guys can wow! Arjo, thank you! Wow! I hope you guys can drop more cash be with you. Cash be with you. Cash be with you. Ang cute! Cute nga kapag nag-English. Mahal, kasi baka kapag kaiwan nyo ako dahil nag-i-English ako, iwan ko na din yung live ko. Kasi masakit na yung ulo ko. Arju, thank you so much. What time is there? Your mom's calling you. No! Oh my gosh. It's 12:34 a.m. Snopshies, can you drop cash be with you? Pati si Clay hirap na din. Oo nga eh. Mas pref English, mahal, nagkakaintindihan lahat. Yeah, alright. I'm so happy that R2 is really dropping by here on my live because she really is a big help for my campaign, for my quota. Hi, Masha Ara. Thank you. Guys, you can drop cash. You can drop cash out. You can drop kasama mo, and cash be with you is the biggest. Yee! Thank you so much. So, ang goal natin for this campaign din ngayon ay it's my humble pleasure. Thank you, Archu. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Alam nyo, from now on, mahal, English ka na, wag ka na mag-Tagalog. Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm gonna suggest Kumu to have an English translator because it's so hard. Sometimes oh my gosh. Hi, Jose Bonifacio.
Hi, Zililang. Sweet dreams. You know what? But I'm